Hello and welcome to Java programming. We're going to be looking at 101 symmetric tree. It's an easy question. Given the root of a binary tree, search whether it's a mirror of itself that is symmetrical around the center. So if I draw a line here and I see that 1 is a root, then I have 2, 2, 3 and the 3 here. So basically, if I take this and put it on top of this, it should be identical. 3 here, 3 here, 4, 4. So it is symmetrical. How about this? Is it symmetrical? False. Because 2 is here. And 3 is on the right. Here it should have been on the left. So it's not symmetrical. So how do you go about solving this question? The solution is simple. We have Boolean is symmetrical method and I'm going to be passing the root node. So write a method is mirror and pass the left and the right node here. So what if left and right both are null? Both are null, then it's still symmetrical, right? Both are null. If one is null, the other is not, that means return false because it's not symmetrical. And then return left is left's value and the right value same, and along with that check mirror is mirror of left dot left, that is left's left, and right's right. Both should be left's left. So if I check here, left's left is 3, right's right should be equal to each other, and left's right must be equal to right's left, right? If that is the condition, first of all values must be equal, and left's left, right's right, left's right, right's left, both should be equal, then it is considered as symmetrical. It is just a simple case of recursion, can handle your thing. And you have been given only root node, so root dot left and root dot right is what you're going to be passing to this particular method. I hope this was helpful. Thank you and see you again in another episode of Java programming, LeetCode, and let's prepare binary search tree. And binary search tree mostly is solved through using recursion or iterative approaches. I'm going over recursive approach here. So I hope this was helpful. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.